Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Ghetsis from Pokemon. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the color of his jacket with a curved line across right there, semicircle turn to the right, and I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a diagonal curved line inwards right there, and going back to the middle point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line downwards and turn it downwards below that, and I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the collar on the right side here as well. Now for his face, I'm gonna take this point in the middle and draw a line across, turn it diagonally upwards to the right and turn it upwards. And on the left side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at this corner, turn it upwards. Now for his glasses on the left, I'm gonna draw across a line at that corner, turn it upwards. On the right side right there, sharp turn back down on the left side, and I'm gonna do the same thing at this outer corner and a line across at this middle point right there, a diagonal line across at this upper point of the glasses, and for his eye on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, semicircle turn up diagonally to the right and semicircle turn back up at the outer corner, sharp turn back down on both points, and a line across in the middle. Below the eyebrow, I'm gonna draw a line down at this inner corner, semicircle turn sideways to the right and turn it upwards. Inside of the eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape on the left corner of the eye, a small circle on the top right corner right there, and a black dot in the middle. In the middle of the eyes, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there and mirror that on the left side as well. A line down in the middle of his face for his nose, and a diagonal line at this inner corner of the eye on the right, and below the glasses on the left, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line right there. A curved line across below the nose for his mouth. Now for his hair at the side, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line outwards, turn it upwards, and curved line upwards. Sharp turn back down on the right side, sharp turn back up, and sharp turn back down at the outer corner right there, extend it downwards, diagonal turn inwards, and sideways to the face. Below that, a curved line down and turn it inwards to the side of his face. And I'm gonna copy the same shape of that hair on the left side here as well. For his hairline on the right, I'm gonna draw some zigzag line at this corner, turn it inwards at this top point diagonally, and mirror the same shape on the left side as well. And for his head, I'm gonna draw a line upwards at the side, semicircle turn diagonally to the middle point, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. And for the piece of hair in the middle of his head, I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards, turn it diagonally to the right, sharp turn back down, sharp turn back out, sharp turn back down, and curved line back to the base of that hair. And I'm just gonna extend the line of the head at the side here towards that hair. At the side of the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line at the top point right there, and another one right there. Do the same thing on the right side, and below the piece of hair at the side, I'm gonna continue the line of the head downwards, diagonal turn inwards at this lower point. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now below the collar at the side, I'm gonna draw a line down, turn it sideways to the left, semicircular turn downwards, diagonal turn out, and downwards at the side. Semicircular turn back inwards diagonally, and another curved line downwards all the way to the lower point of his jacket. Curved line inwards to the right and across right there. And for the right side, I'm gonna do the same thing. And from the middle point, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally out to the side on the right. Turn it downwards at that corner, and I'm gonna trace the same line again at this lower point. And at that point, I'm gonna draw an oval shape at that corner. Continue the line on the right downwards diagonally. Now for the line of his hand on the right, I'm gonna draw a line downwards from this point below the jacket, curved line below that, and a line downwards. A circular shape below that line right there, and a curved line across at this lower point. Copy the same shape at this lower point right there. And for his hand, I'm gonna extend the right side diagonally out, semicircular turn downwards, and turn it to the left. Copy the same shape again at this inner corner right there, and turn it upwards on this finger on the left side. Turn it diagonally to the left, turn it downwards, semicircular turn to the left, turn it back upwards, and diagonal turn to the side of his wrist. Below that, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line and a mirror of that diagonal curved line on the right side, and a line across at the bottom point. In between his thumb and his finger here, I'm gonna draw a line across and another one at this top point. Below this whole shape, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there. And another circular shape inside of that. And at the side above, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards and a similar line at this corner right here. And the ending point, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And at the bottom point, inside of the circle, I'm gonna draw across a line at this top point, turn it downwards at the side, diagonal curved line below that to the middle point on both the left and right. And I'm gonna trace the same shape again at this inner corner. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw the letter P, like that. And behind that letter P, I'm gonna draw a line across right there, and another one below that. Diagonal turn to the right and downwards, sideways to the left, and diagonal turn back up. I'm gonna extend the diagonal line from the corners outside of the circle at this inner point. And below that whole thing, I'm gonna draw a line downward, slightly diagonal to the left, and at the base of it, in V shape right there, and another line down at the side. Across a curved line at the bottom point right there. Now for his jacket, I'm gonna extend the line in the middle right here and turn it diagonally to the right and continue that all the way downwards behind this piece and turn it sideways to the left at this bottom point. I'm gonna trace the same line in the middle of the jacket all the way up to the collar right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here to that point. A circular shape at this corner, and another one above, and another one at this lower point right here. A thick line at this corner, and another thick line at this point. Now for the line of the jacket on the right, I'm gonna extend it downwards. And for the outer line of the jacket as well, turn it sideways to the right, curve line diagonally up at that corner, across, turn it outwards, and slightly upwards at the outer corner. Turn it back inwards to the left diagonally, and another curved line across all the way back to the side of his jacket. Now behind the jacket, I'm gonna draw a wavy line at this corner towards the other side of the jacket in the middle. And below his jacket on the left, I'm gonna draw the lower part of his pants and his shoes with a curved line downwards. Turn it diagonally to the middle point, diagonally back sideways to the inner corner, and turn it upwards. And below that, a line downwards for the back part of the shoe, diagonal line to the front tip of the shoe on the left, sharp turn sideways to the right for the base of the shoe. At the front point of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line across and another diagonal curved line downwards on the right side. From the front tip of the shoe, I'm gonna draw a curved line across and also on the ankle point right there. And I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side right here. Now for the patterns on his jacket, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally up at that corner, semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner, all the way downwards and back slightly inwards. Semicircle turn back in and up, and sharp turn back down right there. Semicircle turn back up at this inner corner, all the way up. Semicircle turn back down, and sharp turn back up to that point. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw an oval shape, and I'm gonna draw another smaller oval shape inside of that. I'm gonna copy that same shape at this lower point, and I'm also gonna copy that same shape on the right side of the jacket right here. And I'm gonna draw some oval shape around the jacket as well, at that corner right there, and here at the side here, and at the edge on the right side right there, and some circular line on the shoulder at the side of the middle point right here, and then an oval shape at this corner and a circular shape right there, and a curved line at this corner and a wobbly shape at that point, another wobbly shape at this corner on the left, and a curved line at this corner. And I'm gonna add some curved line along the jacket right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.